Hi everybody, Rita here with GmaReezScrapShack. This little tiny micro mini is Boho Gypsy. It was a special order for Caroline, I'm not sure how you say her name. I'll try to stay in frame. I'm horrible at making these little videos. Anyway, I just finished this one up for her. Oh, I forgot. I didn't do any stamping in it. Shoot. Well, I'll do some little stamping. Not sure. I told her I would show her when I was done with it, and isn't that a sweet page? I love that page. Thank you, Dawn. I love those papers you sent me. Yeah, so what I did is I shrunk down this boho paper. I will link the digital kit, and I made this tiny little tag right here, and this cute little pocket came with the kit. I just shrunk it down like 9 times or something like that. Here's my favorite paper, so cute. My hands look horrible, you guys. At work, we are, totally washing our hands so much, and we're sanitizing and scrubbing everything clean. So, oh, this was a little piece of my new digital that me and my friend is working on for a cute little surprise one of these days. And yeah, so this one right here is a gypsy. Can you see her? Oh, she's cute. There's just some paper and some washi, and I have glue like all over my fingers, so don't judge. There's some sweet little paper. These are all from scraps, you guys. I have so many scraps, and here's a tiny little corner flip. It's even got a little tuck spot. I don't have anything in there. It's so tiny. I just added the lace and the little pom-pom trim and this sweet little trim of like rainbow trim. It's kind of cute. It's on the back too. It's got the bells. It's got all these sweet pages. 5 signatures. It says, "Beauty is not in the face. Beauty is a light in the heart." I love that page. It's truly so pretty. Here's another little Rita Donnelly corner flip right here. Lots of little pages. Cute little tag. Uh-oh. I think I got a page sticking together here. Yeah, just a little bit. Some more of that sweet new digital. The rest of it's still being worked on. I'm in cahoots with a sweet friend, and I have to talk to her more about how much she wants to be known for the project. But when it comes out, everybody will know. It's just not quite done yet. I love how this little tiny book turned out. There's so many pages, it's just crazy how... Let me see, this one I think is stuck. No, it's not stuck. I like this. Boho Gypsy paper. Wish I could remember the name of it right now, but I can't. I've been working full time, so like I'm super tired, but I come in here a little bit to show, that I can work a little bit each day on some projects, and I'm a little behind right now, but if you're waiting on me, please be patient. I will finish it soon. This weekend, instead of working on my projects, I went and got my grandchildren in, so they were here for a couple of days and a night, and then I had to drive the whole next day to take them home, and actually my husband did all the driving, thank goodness. It was just crazy. It's so good to see them, but I am exhausted. Anyway, this is super cute. I hope she loves it. I can't believe I forgot to do the stamping in it, but I'm just going to add a few little stamps. I'm not going to go crazy because I'm kind of tired of working on this book. This one, I don't know why it's taken me so long to finish it. I think because I had other, things that I had to do, so This one just seemed to, I spent more time on it for some reason. Super cute. I love it. I hope she likes it. I think she's buying this one for her daughter. It's quite the little gator mouth here. I gotta really push it together to close it, and I put these on it to make it look, you know, more boho-y. And what I do is I just take the top one, the two top ones, and I tie it to make a bow. Someone asked me how I make these tiny little bows. Well, I don't have huge fingers, but it isn't easy. Just gotta pinch and pull. Pinch and pull. So there's one. And then now I'll take these two bottom strings and I will tie another one. So I just make a little over under knot. I think I just tied well, I'm going to loosen that up because what I did was I got the bow under there, and I don't want the bow under the knot. I want the bow up there. There we go. So there's the knot. Now I'm going to make the loop. Probably all over the place. I'm sorry. Out of frame. Seeing nothing but my big old hands. Oh gosh. Well, not big old hands, but I can't stay in frame. Oh, can I get it? Can I get it? I don't know if I grabbed the right string. That's funny. There's the second bow. So it's kind of like that. So I would tie this one. But if she wants, and she could do it a different way, she can. But anyway, there's this one. It's super small. It's super small and jingly. Lots of little bells. Thanks, Carolyn, for being so patient with me. Everybody have a good night.